Your body's metabolism is your energy source. And if you want more energy in your life, what you want to do is...
Well, hold on. Let me just stop you right there.
Everybody can do it, no matter where you are in your health journey, no matter what type of struggles you've had in order to be able to lose weight and be able to achieve better health.
The world-renowned Dr. William Li is back to unpack the science of metabolism. Dr. Li is a renowned physician and scientist. Dr. Li's work has impacted more than 50 million people worldwide and has led to the prevention, treatment, and even reversal of diseases spanning cancer, obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. Whether you're looking to lose weight, burn fat, or just be healthier, Dr. Li has the science, the research, and the simple steps to help you unlock the power of your metabolism.
Everyone thinks they know a lot about metabolism, but there are a lot of myths about it. Everyone's metabolism is different.
Is that true?
Not true. The second myth is that when we reach middle age, our metabolism is going to automatically slow down. Not true. Third thing, teenagers in their adolescence, their metabolism is going sky high. Not true. Fourth myth is that...
Holy cow. What do I do to jumpstart my metabolism?
All right. So...
Dr. Li, I'm so excited that you're here. And the way that I wanted to start is, could you tell the person that's listening how they could experience life differently if they take to heart everything that you're about to teach us about the science of metabolism and they put that to use in their life today?
Your body's metabolism is your energy source. And if you want more energy in your life, what you want to do is tap into what's already hardwired into you in order to be able to unleash that energy. And everybody can do it, no matter where you are in your health journey, no matter what type of struggles you've had previously, in order to be able to lose weight and be able to achieve better health.
Wow. Well, about a third of our listeners have set a goal to either lose weight or to start a new diet. And I would love to know how to leverage my metabolism to be healthier, to be in better shape. But what does metabolism mean? Because maybe when you say metabolism, I'm thinking something else. Let's start there. What does metabolism actually mean?
Okay. So if you go to Google, when you look at metabolism, they'll give you a chemistry definition, a science definition of it. It's the sum of all the chemical reactions in your body, blah, 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 to give you energy. I like to think about it in a much simpler way.
Okay.
Metabolism is how your body gets energy and burns down energy, just like if you were a car. Okay. So think about it. I mean, most of us have driven a car that uses gas. And, when you're driving a car, which relies on fuel to actually drive forward, you were just sitting in the driver's seat, going about your way, thinking about how to get to point A to point B. You're not thinking about the fuel. And that's basically how we operate with our metabolism. We just keep going, doing our thing. We got the checklist. We got to go shopping. We got to go pick up the kids from school or whatever. Okay. We don't think about our metabolism, but like a car, which requires fuel, when the fuel gauge goes towards empty, suddenly, if you're sitting in your car, all of a sudden you're like, where do I find that filling station?
Right.
I got to get some gas.
Yes.
Okay. Same deal in your body. When your energy runs low, suddenly you got to get fuel. And it turns out the fuel that we use for a car, which is gasoline, petrol, depending on where you live, if you actually look at what happens in the body, the fuel for our body is our food.
Yeah.
We call gasoline in gallons or liters, depending on where you live,